My name is Pratik Devi, and my today's our topic is iterative statements in Java. There are four iterative statements in Java. First is for loop. Second one is for is second one is for do while loop. Third one is for each loop. And let's begin to the iterative statements. First of all, the for loop means the for loop is in a Java is a compact way to iterate over ranges, values, collections such as arrays or the syntax consists of three parts. First is initialization, condition, and update. Means in a for loop, we initialize the value of a variable. Second step, we take a condition and then in two curly brackets there are block of statements, and in the last step we are increment decrement means initialize step executes at one step means at the beginning, and it initializes the for loop of a control variable. Second in the second step the condition means it means when for loop is start, it checks the condition means the value of variable is lower or greater than the given condition. In the third step, we update the value means increment or decrement means it's executed after the each iteration, and usually increments or decrements the increments and decrements the value. The second one is the while loop means the while loop in Java repeats a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. Means when you give the condition true in a do while loop, it repeatedly loops the while loop, and means in the loop it continues iterating as long as the condition remains true. If the condition will the false, it loop will be breakdown. The third one is a do while loop. The do while loop, it is similar to the while loop means but with the one crucial difference. Means it guarantees that the block of code is executed at least one time even if the condition is initially false. Means in a do bracket do block of statements where in the first time the block of code will be executed, and then it goes for checking the while loop condition. If the condition is true, then iteration will be started. If the condition is false, the statements the iteration will be stop means breakdown. In the evaluated at the end of the means the condition is evaluated at the end of the each iteration, and if evaluation is true the loop continues, otherwise it terminates as I said. The iterative statements means there are some scenarios advantages which are take care of the we are using the loop statement. In the first step in the processor of array and collection, loops are used to transverse array, list, maps, and other data structures in allowing manipulation and analysis of their elements. In a second use of the input validation means loops enable to continuous validation of a user input until the data is entered, means improving the robustness of a program. In third one is the control structure means iterative statements are control the flow of an program execution. Means it allowing to a block of code to be executed repeatedly until the specific condition becomes false. And the fifth one used for the iterative statements are in algorithm implementation. If in a many algorithms we take the use of iterative statements. Means For example, sorting array algorithm. Means in that case we use the for loop, and in that for loop we takes the condition of we takes the algorithm for that sorting array, and that's it. And fourth, the Disadvantages means we have to take the securities means you have to take the conditions while using the iterate statements. First is a clear termination condition, which ensure that the loops have well occupied termination condition. Means it prevents infinite loop, which is when you take the infinite condition in the loop, the program will not fully looped up, and not it will be break it down, and it will crashes the our program. So avoid nesting to experiments excessive nesting of loops can make code complex and difficult to debug. Means consider refactoring nested loops into separate methods for better readability. So the in the case we conclusion say that the iter statements are indispensable tools in Java programming for implementing repetition and iteration of efficiently by mastering for loop, do while loop, and for each loop. Developers can create a robust, scalable applications capable for handling diverse computational tasks and processing large volumes of data. So here are some. Here is the basic information about video statements in Java. So thanks for watching my video. Kindly watch and more videos of me. Thank you.